Well, I'm going to put you on camera. Where are we off to?
Off to the Taipa meet.
Yep, tonight at 7 p.m. we're off to something dumplin.
Something dumpling.
I can't talk properly.
For a feed.
For a feed and a catch up with the Taipa New Zealand Club. So we're just packing up at the moment. Troy is making his Euro R into a Civic Type R. It's got 3 Anusas. It's the end of the day. Everyone's closed, everyone's gone home. What are you doing, Troy?
Just fucking around.
And finding out. It's the only Euro R in the world with 3 Anusas. I did clean my car yesterday for this very reason, but it is now a little bit dirty. Look, watermarks. Who wants a black car? Seriously? And I find new scratches every time. It's looking good though, driving good. Uncle Roger's car always looks good because it's resale white. You can't see all the water spots on it. Always looking good, so we'll cruise out to there.
Can we take Sylvia home?
Are you all ready to eat dumplings?
Oh yes. Oh.
Oh, wait for the GPS lady to stop talking. Hang on a minute. We are running a little bit late right now, as we were waiting for Troy to finish welding his tips on. So it is 4 minutes until it starts, and I am 24 minutes away in usual fashion.
Could be worse.
Could be worse. Mr. Jamie.
How you going?
I'm good, mate. Thank you for organising this wonderful event.
That's right. Good turnout. It's nice to see everyone here.
Yeah. Have you been enjoying your blue FL5, which we're going to have a look at soon? Coming from the dark side of rotaries.
Pretty good. Needs some top performance specialty treatments on it though.
That's all right. We can sort that out. I keep inviting this man round for a beer, but he's always too busy.
Along with Colin.
Along
We'll
with
get
Colin.
there. Open day.
Open day. Yeah,
Watch this
definitely.
space.
Yeah. We need to do something together. So this man actually organises the Type R page and has organised this event, and many more to come, hopefully.
Indeed. Yeah.
And yeah, so far so good. No burnouts and rev off competitions and stuff.
Not yet.
Not yet.
There's the young NA owners that love to do that, but everyone's been very respectful, which is nice.
Well, thank you so much for sorting this out tonight. The dumplings also a good spot. Haven't had it before, so
Shout out to Something Dumpling.
really, really good. And
Drop the tag here.
yeah, all right, we'll do that. We'll start getting real fancy now. We've got a new camera. We can start adding things in. You know, we'll start zhuzhing up the channel. But thanks, bro. Have a good night, eh?
You too, bro.
Catch ya. What are you doing, Mr. Rocky?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Stop stalking me.
Honda New Zealand NSX. Ooh, easy on the clutch, buddy. Yeah, I think that's going to need a new clutch in a minute. That was
Lucky you can't smell on camera.
oh, smell-o-vision. That's real bad. That's serious.
There's a thing. See, I want. I think that's the first one. I haven't actually seen it.
That's real serious. Goes better than a standard one.
Say no more.
Goes better than a standard one. Really like the wheel fitment on this car too.
Not running very.
Nice little EG sedan. They're DB8s actually. Yep, pair of DB8s. more nice old girls, DC2 and an EK. It makes me want to get mine done. Look at this thing. It's like RWB inspired. It's pretty hectic, and it's fucking boned. That's really cool. Now I know there's a yellow DC2 beside it, I will get to that, but I have a soft spot for fits. And I mean, of course, a very nice yellow DC2R. I know the owner of this car has had it for a long time. Cool dudes. It's real nice. Basic mods, just downpipe intercooler. Just put a nice set of fresh 8009s on it. I actually really love this color too. It's quite good. Hello, Troy. How many Coke bottles and stuff was shoved in my engine bay? Funny how none of this is Honda dudes.
No, the first one we heard was a Volkswagen. Surprise, surprise.
Is my car still in one piece?
Yeah, yeah. Justin's looking at it.
And he's like, oh.
Everyone's laughing at me going, fuck, FK8 exhausts actually look really cool on this. What's it sound like?
Are you going to do a two-step when you leave, Troy?
I already did one.
Oh, was it you?
Like a singular clap.
Vrappa.
Yeah. You know that noise you try not to make when the kids are asleep?
There's a few noises you try and make when the kids are asleep. Not make, sorry. Okay, well, I didn't get much filming done. I ended up getting into some deep and meaningful conversations with customers and friends of the business and stuff like that. So I have done better. I now have the correct filming gear, but I didn't get much filming done because I was too busy gas bagging. But gas bagging hopefully ends up in more Type R's and Hondas and other things to work on at the shop. So I suppose this will be another quick short one. It is 9:45. I pretty much talked non-stop from 7 to 9:30 because we've probably been driving. Ambulance, excuse me for a second. Pretty much talked non-stop from 7 all the way to about 9:30, so my voice even sounds a little bit funny. But yeah, we are going to go and pick up Grandad, who we have we've left with my mother for the day, so he's probably ready to go home as well. So we'll call it a night and head home and do it all again tomorrow. So hopefully this episode doesn't suck, and we'll see you next time.